The Zonesun ZS-CT3 is an industrial cooling tunnel designed for continuous cooling and solidification of products after processing. With a powerful cooling capacity of 28,000 kcal/HR, it features an efficient piston compressor, a reciprocating conveyor system that extends cooling time without increasing floor space, and comprehensive protection devices for safe operation. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, hygiene, and easy maintenance, while the adjustable conveying system allows precise cooling time control. Ideal for chocolate, confectionery, bakery, beverage, and other food processing applications requiring reliable and uniform cooling.